The next thing we're going to talk about here is adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, it's literally the same thing you've always done with regular addition, with regular subtraction. The only thing is there's a decimal in it. The number one rule for anything with decimals is to always line them up. Okay, now in the SOL, they love to give you a problem like this: 3 and 7/10 plus 4 and 12/100. Okay, please do not add sideways. Okay, I don't care how smart you are or whatever, it doesn't work. I wouldn't even do that. Okay, don't recommend it. What you need to do, you need to rewrite it and you need to line them up. So if I rewrite it, I'll write 3 and 7/10 plus 4 and 12/100. Now, if you notice, something's missing there. Okay, so what you do is anytime there's something missing, you put in a 0, because if it's not told to us, we always assume a 0 would go there. Okay, now it's nice and neat, it's all lined up. I have a number there, it doesn't look confusing anymore. I can add it just like I've always added. 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7. I bring the decimal straight down. So my answer now is 7 and 82/100. Okay, that's addition. Let's say I want to subtract. Okay, they're probably going to give it to you sideways. They just love doing that. So if I have 4 and 7/10 minus 3 and 25/100. Okay, again, don't care how smart you are, don't subtract sideways, rewrite it. So if I rewrite it, I now have 4 and 7/10 minus 3 and 25/100. Okay, but again, something's missing. Okay, I have to fill in a 0 so I can subtract it properly. Now it's a much easier. It looks easier on the eyeballs. It's ready to go. 4 and 70/100 minus 3 and 25/100. Okay, this goes for all subtraction, just not the decimals. Okay, you never ever ever subtract up. Okay, you don't say 5 minus 0. Don't know who ever taught anyone that, but I don't want to see it. Always subtract from top down. All right, I can't take 5 away from 0, so this is going to become a 10. The 7's going to drop down to a 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Same thing, bring your decimal straight down. So your answer is 1 and 45/100. If you will line the problems up, line them up by the decimal, fill in any spots that are missing with a 0, you add and subtract normally like you always done, you do great on this.